Welcome to episode 2 of Making Your Own Voice Bot. In this episode, we're going to be adding random responses that our bot can give. So, for example, if I say hi to the bot would normally only have one response, but we're going to give it the chance to say hi, hello, how are you, or any other commands you can think of. So basically, all we're going to do is get rid of this, and we're going to write some code. So, let's start with an if statement. If response file, response. So this is the string that we'd normally send. We're going to do index of, and we're just going to check for our sign that we're going to use. We're going to use the plus sign to indicate that we're creating a multiple string response. If it's equal to 0, meaning it's the first character in the string, that means we know that in our responses file, we have it set up to respond with multiple different answers. So now in here, we're going to create a variable called list string responses. Let's do a lowercase s. Responses equals response file response dot. We're going to get rid of that character we put in there the first time. That would be the plus sign. And we're going to replace it with a space. Okay. Then right here, we're going to split the file at the character of a /. Then we're going to reverse, and we're going to put that to a list. List. Okay. And end it right there. And we need to make this a void. Perfect. Now, I don't know why I'm saying perfect so much. I've already written the code. Random r is equal to new random. So we're initializing a new random to randomly select between the options given. And then under here, this is where the magic happens. We're going to do responses r.next, and we're going to do responses dot count. That's not it. Count. Okay, so now we have written the code necessary. So now let me walk you through what each thing actually does. So right here, we're taking our string that's going to be coming out of our responses file. So normally we'd have one of these strings coming in, and we're going to take this string and we're going to replace a plus sign. So in our responses file, we can set up a fake argument by putting a plus, indicating that the string that's going to be following is a multiple response string. So what we're going to do here is we can type all of our options. Let's get our grammar. Let's add something to the grammar. And then let's put a simple question like, what's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? Okay, remember we don't need to put a question mark because the computer does not know if we're asking a question or not, nor does it care. Right here, we're going to put red. We're going to use that / that we put in right here that we're splitting the string by. And then we're going to put blue. And then we're going to put green. And we can put as many things as we want. Yellow, orange, black, pink. So now right here, we're indicating this is a multiple response answer. And we're separating our responses with the /. So we're going to save this, close out of it. We're going to save our grammar and save out and go out of it. And right now we can say, what's your favorite color?
Yellow.
It says yellow. What's your favorite color?
Black.
And now it says black. So basically what it's going to do is it's taking all of these strings, it's putting them into an array, and then it's taking the length of the array and choosing a random number between 1 and the maximum number of strings in the array. And this will work with anything. It doesn't have to be what's your favorite color. You can put right here we have hello. We can change that. We can put a plus and we can say hi and forward slash, and we can put hello or good day if we want to be really proper. And just close out of that. And I say hello,
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 good day,
hello,
hi.
and it gave us all 3 of those responses. So this code is now working properly, and the only problem is if we have something like how are you that doesn't have a multiple string, we say how are you, absolutely nothing happens. So what we need to do is we need to add an else statement. So basically, if it does not start with a plus right here, we're just going to do what we did before, and we're just going to result to our response file response. So if it's just a normal string, it'll say the normal string. Let's try that out. How are you?
I am good.
And
How are you?
It says I'm good, how are you? And if we look, that is a normal string. So that's all for this episode. This has been episode 2. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.